In this video, we are going to learn how to download data from the USGS Earth Explorer. So this is the official page or the official data site for the USGS Earth Explorer. When you want to look for data, we have what we call the search criteria and the dataset. With the search criteria, you might be considering a steady area. You might be considering a time range, and you might be considering the amount of cloud cover you want your data to have. That's if you're dealing with landsat. So start by entering our search criteria and then getting the data set for us to see the result available. So the geocoder helps us to select a steady area using 3 methods, either by using the GNIS, that's the Geographic Name Information System, either by using our address or place, or by using the part or row of the data we are coming to look for. Another method is uploading the KML or the shapefile using this option for the data you are looking for. So if you know your study area, you have the shapefile or the KML, you can just upload that here and then it will take you to that area, and you can use that as a search criteria for getting your image. And we have what we call the date range. So let's say you're looking at data within a period of 2015 to 2020. This is from and then the ending date. So you enter your date, and we have the cloud cover option. So you can select up to 10% cloud cover, up to as low as 1%, or you can select as per your preference. So let's say we are looking for an area, and then we know the name of this place, so we want to use the address or the place method for the geocoding. And then we are looking for an area name, DOMA. Yeah, so using the address or place method, we want to use the search bar and type the name DOMA. After you are done typing the name, click on show, and then you realize we have a result here. So let's click on this result, DOMA in Ghana, and there is it, where the place mark is. That is where the area we just searched for is. And other methods you can use in finding your area, if you know how to navigate your map well, you can get to the area you're looking for. Assuming you're somewhere in the US, assuming you were somewhere here, but you can navigate your map and you're looking for a place in Africa or any other continent, we just navigate to that continent, locate that country, and locate the specific area you're looking for without necessarily having to use any of the geocoding methods. So this is the area we're going to work with, and the date range you want to look at from 1st January 2015 to 31st January 2020. So that's our date range, and a cloud cover range. We are looking at cloud cover between 0 to 10%. Yeah, and that's the criteria we are looking at the moment. So let's go to our data set. Let's see the data available. What are we looking for? You're looking for a landsat collection 2 level 1 data. So you initially everything is going to be like this. So if you're looking for landsat data, just come here, collapse this, and then look for the specific level you want. If you want a DEM or digital elevation data, TM is here. If you want high resolution imagery, come to area imagery, and other options are here. But right now focus is landsat, so we go to landsat collection 2 level 1, and we are looking for landsat 8. So you select that. After you are done selecting the data set, the next thing we want to do is go to result. Let's see what data is available for us. You can see we have about 10 images. Great. And then when you look closely at the image description, you can see the ID right here. You can see the data code. You can see the part and the row as we saw earlier to be part of the geocoding method. Sorry. So this is 2020, this is 2019 data. Third one is 2017. You can see on the image you have several icons. We have the footprint, we have the overlay, the search or the browse icon, we have the metadata, we have the download options, and then the rest. Now one thing you have to notice, the scene you are downloading, if you're downloading over a specific area, you want to be sure that this thing is covering that area. How do you prove that, or how do you find out about that? Using the footprint icon. So for each image you want to select this and ensure that that scene is covering the location you're looking at before you start downloading. And then you might want to preview the satellite image using this overlay icon. So you can turn this off and let's preview using the overlay and see how the data will be. You can zoom in and then look at the quality of the data, and then will not make use of this. Then you can look at the metadata, that's the information about the data. You realize there are lots of attributes associated with this data and the values attached, the scene ID, the data code, the pattern, the row. You can even find the land cloud cover information here. If you're satisfied with this information and you want to download, you come to the download icon here, click on it, and you need come and click product options, and this is everything you'll be needing with regards to this dataset. So you'll be downloading the zip format. So click here to download. These are the bands associated with the image, and you'll be needing the entire dataset. So you click this, it has been compressed here, so you just click this download button here and then you are through with everything. There you go. So you're done downloading the landsat data. You might want to explore through the other landsat options available. That's if you're looking for landsat 7, landsat 5, and the rest. You might want to explore through those options and see if data is available. So if you need to download an SRTM data, go to digital elevation, go to SRTM. Let's say you're looking for void field specifically. So select this and then come back to result. Let's see what we have there. There is no result. It has to do with our search criteria. Usually there is only one data available for the SRTM, and the date range might not be necessary. So you want to clear off the date. You want to clear off the date and then go back to result. Let's see. Okay, great. So as you can see, the information about the specific data, we have the ID, the date of publication, that's 2012, the resolution and the coordinates. For further information, you can just come to the metadata option and then get all the information you need about this specific data. Want to look at the span, it's covering the area. Overlay, that is the preview. Then to download, you want to click the download icon here and then choose the extension you want. Most preferred is the GeoTIFF, so you can download the GeoTIFF extension. And then depending on the data set you want for the work or the project you are doing, you can just go to dataset and then scroll through the options available, select the data, download, and then start working with it. Let me know if this info is helpful. Bye.